We'll guide you through how to hard reset, wipe, remove everything and restore your Lenovo laptop. If you find this useful and you're successful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. And if you've forgotten your password, you won't need it. If you do know it, it doesn't matter as well. So make sure it's this full guide as we're guiding you through how this is done. And just to confirm, we're defining hard reset as removing everything. So all your data is going to go and be lost. So just consider that. You may want to go and back it up beforehand if you can. And want to, of course. So what you can do to go and get started is just go and press the spacebar or click. And on this screen here, you need to go to the bottom right and press the power button. Now, what you need to do is go and hold the left shift and you need to go and click on restart, like so. Then what you can do is go and release shift. It goes and says, please wait. Shortly, it's going to go and restart. And when it restarts, it's going to go and be in the mode we need it to be. You'll go and see on the boot screen that it goes and says, please wait. So just go and be patient. You'll go and get taken to this choose an option page. Go down and you can press troubleshoot. Then it's going to go and say reset this PC and advanced options. We're going to press reset this PC. It then says keep my files or remove everything. We want to go and remove everything, so we're going to go and click that there. Then here we're getting the option to go and reinstall Windows via cloud download or local reinstall, so choose that there. It's important to note you may get a screen about something called BitLocker, and this is an encryption. It's going to guide you through how you need to go and get the code. You'll need to log into your Microsoft account on another device and get the code and enter it. And then we can choose how to reinstall. So I'm going to do a local reinstall just to save downloading it again. Choose if you want to go and keep this set up for your workplace. I don't, so I'll press no. And you can choose if you want to go and fully clean the drive or just remove your files. If you're sure, you can go and press reset. Remember, this is permanent and that's it.